Below are very simple, online, daily life examples for each heading of negligence. These are perfect for exams, easy to remember, and easy to write. Negligence, very simple examples. Theories of negligence. Keycap 1 Subjective theory. Standard depends on the person. Example. A 10-year-old child breaks a window while playing right pointing arrow judged by a child's care, not an adult's. Keycap 2 Objective theory. Standard of a reasonable person. Example. A driver jumps a red light right pointing arrow. Any reasonable driver would stop right pointing arrow. Negligence. B. Meaning of negligence. Carelessness that causes harm. Example. A person leaves water on the floor, someone slips and gets hurt. C. Essential ingredients of negligence. Keycap 1 Duty to take care. Example. A bus driver must drive carefully for passengers and pedestrians. Keycap 2 Breach of duty. Example. Bus driver uses mobile phone while driving. Keycap 3 Consequent damage. Example. Because of mobile use, the bus hits a cyclist and injures him. All three present right pointing arrow. Negligence proved. D. Proof of negligence. Res ipsa loquitur. Accident itself proves negligence. Example 1. A fan falls from the ceiling in a classroom. Example 2. A newborn baby gets burned in hospital nursery. E. Manufacturer's negligence. Manufacturer sells defective goods. Example 1. A pressure cooker explodes while used normally. Example 2. A toothpaste causes mouth injury due to harmful chemicals. F. Medical negligence. Doctor fails to take proper care. Example 1. Doctor operates on the wrong leg. Example 2. Doctor gives wrong blood group during transfusion. Negligence under statutory law, extra simple. Example. Driving without helmet causes accident. Right pointing arrow. Liability under Motor Vehicles Act. 5 LINE Super Quick Revision Memo. Negligence equals carelessness plus damage. Duty right pointing arrow. Breach right pointing arrow. Damage. Reasonable man test applies. Res ipsa equals thing speaks itself. Doctors and manufacturers can be liable. If you want, I can give. On sentence exam answers case law plus example combined. 10 mark or 15 mark answer format. Just tell me. Is a clear, exam-oriented and very simple explanation of negligence, liability under common law and statutory law, written in easy language, with every concept broken down and daily life examples. Negligence. Overview. Negligence means failure to take reasonable care, which causes damage or injury to another person. In law, carelessness becomes negligence only when it causes harm. Theories of negligence. Keycap 1 Subjective theory. Based on personal capacity of the defendant. Question. Was this person capable of taking better care? Example. A child breaks a vase. Right pointing arrow. Standard of care is less than an adult. Keycap 2 Objective theory, most important. Based on reasonable man standard. Question. What would a reasonable person do in similar circumstances? Example. A driver jumps a red light. Right pointing arrow. Any reasonable driver would stop. Right pointing arrow. Negligence. Courts mostly follow objective theory. B. Meaning and definition of negligence. Meaning. Negligence is carelessness where a person fails to act as a reasonable person would, causing injury or loss. Classic definition. Negligence is the omission to do something which a reasonable man would do, or doing something which a prudent man would not do. Simple example. Leaving a banana peel on stairs. Right pointing arrow. Someone slips. Right pointing arrow. Negligence. C. Essential ingredients of negligence. To prove negligence, all three must exist. Keycap 1 Duty to take care. The defendant must have a legal duty to be careful towards the plaintiff. Example. Doctor right pointing arrow. Patient. Driver right pointing arrow. Pedestrians. Manufacturer right pointing arrow. Consumers. No duty equals no negligence. Keycap 2 Breach of duty. Defendant failed to take reasonable care. Example. Doctor uses unclean instruments. Driver overspeeds in school zone. Keycap 3 Consequent damage. Actual injury, loss or damage must occur. Example. Slip but no injury. Right pointing arrow. No negligence. Slip and fracture. Right pointing arrow. Negligence. Case principle. Damage without duty or breach is not negligence. D. Proof of negligence, res ipsa loquitur. Meaning, the thing speaks for itself. Used when accident itself proves negligence. Plaintiff cannot explain how it happened. Conditions. 1. Accident would not happen without negligence. 2. Thing was under defendant's control. 3. Plaintiff did not contribute. Simple examples. Patient leaves hospital with scissors inside body. Flower pot falls from apartment balcony. Court presumes negligence, defendant must prove innocence. E. Manufacturer's negligence. Manufacturer owes a duty of care to the ultimate consumer, even without contract. Basis. Dangerous or defective goods. Lack of warning or instructions. Examples. Defective pressure cooker explodes. Medicine without side effect warning. Leading case. Donahue v. Stevenson, 1932, right pointing arrow snail found in ginger beer. Right pointing arrow manufacturer liable. Today, liability also arises under Consumer Protection Act, Drugs and Cosmetics Act, Food Safety Laws. F. Medical negligence. Medical negligence occurs when a doctor fails to follow standard medical practice, causing harm. Essential elements. 1. Doctor-patient relationship. 2. Duty of care. 3. Breach of duty. 4. Injury caused by breach. Examples. Wrong medicine. Wrong surgery. Leaving cotton inside body. No informed consent. What is not negligence? Mere error of judgment. Unsuccessful treatment. Known risks explained earlier. Indian case. Jacob Matthew v. State of Punjab, 2005. Doctor liable only if gross negligence is proved. Negligence under common law versus statutory law. Common law. Statutory law. Based on judge-made law. Based on acts of legislature. Requires proof of duty, breach and damage, often strict liability. Examples. Road accidents. Motor Vehicles Act, CPA. Burden on plaintiff. Burden often shifted. Quick exam summary writing hand. Negligence equals carelessness causing damage. Objective theory applies. 3 essentials must coexist. Res ipsa loquitur shifts burden. Manufacturer and doctors owe duty. Statutory negligence simplifies proof. If you want case laws for each head, short notes for revision, answer writing format for exams. V. Stevenson, Donahue v. Stevenson, Donahue v. Stevenson, 1932, all ER Rep. 1. Pushpin. Very simple case explanation, exam-oriented. Facts. What happened? Mrs. Donahue went to a cafe. Her friend bought her a bottle of ginger beer. The bottle was opaque, not transparent. After drinking part of it, she found a dead snail inside. She fell ill. She sued the manufacturer, Stevenson, not the cafe owner. Problem. There was no contract between Mrs. Donahue and the manufacturer. Can the manufacturer still be held liable in negligence? Judgment. Yes, the manufacturer is liable. The House of Lords held that a manufacturer owes a duty of care to the ultimate consumer. Even without a contract, negligence liability can arise. Legal principle, very important, right finger neighbor principle. You must take reasonable care to avoid acts or omissions which you can reasonably foresee would be likely to injure your neighbor. Neighbor equals anyone closely and directly affected by your act. Rule laid down. Manufacturer right pointing arrow duty to consumer. Especially when O product is dangerous, O consumer cannot inspect it, O product is meant for human consumption. Simple example, for writing in exams. A company sells sealed fruit juice with insects inside. Consumer drinks it and becomes sick. Right pointing arrow manufacturer is negligent. Importance of the case. Foundation of modern law of negligence. Introduced. O duty of care, O manufacturer's liability. Removed the necessity of privity of contract. One-line exam answer. Donahue v. Stevenson established that a manufacturer owes a duty of care to the ultimate consumer, even in the absence of a contract. If you want, I can also give 2 mark, 5 mark and 10 mark answers. Comparison with Indian cases. Flowchart version for revision. Just tell me. Municipal Corporation of Delhi v. Subhagwanti. Air 1960. Subhagwanti. Municipal Corporation of Delhi v. Subhagwanti. Municipal Corporation of Delhi v. Subhagwanti. Air 1966 South Carolina 1750, Supreme Court of India, Pushpin. Very simple case explanation, exam-oriented. Facts, what happened? There was an old clock tower at Chandni Chowk, Delhi. The tower collapsed suddenly. Several people passing on the road were killed and injured. The clock tower was owned and maintained by the Municipal Corporation of Delhi, MCD. Victims' families sued MCD for negligence. Issue: is the municipal corporation liable when a public structure under its control collapses and causes death? Judgment: yes, MCD was held liable. The Supreme Court held that the clock tower was very old. It was under the exclusive control of MCD. Such a collapse does not happen without negligence. Legal principle applied. Right finger res ipsa loquitur, the thing speaks for itself. The mere collapse of the tower was enough proof of negligence. Victims were not required to prove how negligence occurred. Burden shifted to MCD to prove absence of negligence. MCD failed to do so. Reasoning of the court: a public authority has a duty to maintain public structures. Ordinary wear and tear or old age is not a defense. Failure to inspect and repair equals breach of duty. Simple example, for exams. A municipal bridge collapses due to poor maintenance and kills pedestrians right pointing. Simple example, for exams. A municipal bridge collapses due to poor maintenance and kills pedestrians right pointing arrow. Municipality is liable. Importance of the case. Landmark Indian case on res ipsa loquitur. Fixed liability of public authorities. Established duty of care of municipal bodies. One-line exam answer. Municipal Corporation of Delhi v. Subhagwanti held that a municipal authority is liable for negligence when a public structure under its control collapses, applying the doctrine of res ipsa loquitur. Key takeaway table. Point. Explanation. Defendant Municipal Corporation of Delhi. Principle res ipsa loquitur. Duty: maintain public structures. Result: MCD liable. If you want. Case law comparison with Donahue v. Stevenson. 2 mark, 5 mark exam answers. Pinnamaneni Narsimha Rao v. Gundavarapu Jayaprakasu. Air 1900. Gundavarapu Pinnamaneni Narsimha Rao v. Gundavarapu Jayaprakasu. Gundavarapu Jayaprakasu. Pinnamaneni Narsimha Rao v. Gundavarapu Jayaprakasu. Gundavarapu Jayaprakasu. Air Gundavarapu Pinnamaneni Narsimha Rao v. Gundavarapu Jayaprakasu. Air 1990 AP 207, Andhra Pradesh High Court, Pushpin. Very simple case explanation, exam-oriented. Facts: what happened? The defendant owned a house, building. The building was in a dilapidated, weak and unsafe condition. A portion of the building collapsed. Due to the collapse, the plaintiff suffered injury, damage. The plaintiff filed a suit claiming negligence against the owner. Issue: is the owner of a building liable when his building collapses and causes injury to others? Judgment: yes, the building owner was held liable. Legal principle applied. Right finger res ipsa loquitur, the thing speaks for itself. A building does not normally collapse if it is properly maintained. The building was under the exclusive control of the owner. Therefore, negligence was presumed. Court's reasoning: owner has a duty of care to maintain his property. Failure to repair or maintain a dangerous structure equals breach of duty. Collapse itself is sufficient evidence of negligence. The owner could not prove absence of negligence. Simple example, very easy. A house owner ignores cracks in his wall. The wall falls on a passerby right pointing arrow. Owner is negligent. Importance of the case. Indian Authority on Building Owners' Liability. Applied res ipsa loquitur in private property cases. Strengthened protection for passers-by and neighbors. One-line exam answer. In Pinnamaneni Narsimha Rao v. Gundavarapu Jayaprakasu, the court held that a building owner is liable for injuries caused by collapse of his building, applying the doctrine of res ipsa loquitur. Comparison, quick recall. Case. Principle. MCD v. Subhagwanti Public Authority liable. Pinnamaneni case private owner liable. Both. Res ipsa loquitur. If you want. 2 mark. Jacob Matthew v. State of Punjab. Jacob Matthew v. State of Punjab. Jacob Matthew v. State of Punjab. 2005, 6, S, C, C, 1. Supreme Court of India Pushpin. Very simple case explanation, medical negligence, exam-oriented. Facts, what happened? A patient was admitted to a hospital for treatment. He suffered from breathing difficulty. The oxygen cylinder attached to the patient was found empty. The patient died. The relatives filed a criminal case against the doctors for medical negligence. Issue. When can a doctor be held criminally liable for medical negligence? Judgment. The Supreme Court protected doctors from unnecessary criminal prosecution. The court held, doctors can be criminally liable only in cases of gross negligence or recklessness. Mere carelessness or error of judgment is not enough for criminal liability. Legal principles laid down. KCAP 1 Standard of care. A doctor must act with the ordinary skill of a competent medical professional, not the highest skill. KCAP 2 Criminal negligence requires gross negligence. Simple negligence right pointing arrow civil liability. Gross negligence right pointing arrow criminal liability. KCAP 3 Protection from harassment. Doctors should not be arrested casually. Independent medical opinion must be obtained before prosecuting a doctor. What is not medical negligence? Treatment failure. Error of judgment. Difference of medical opinion. Known risk explained earlier. Simple examples, very easy, cross mark not negligence. A doctor chooses one accepted method instead of another and treatment fails. Checkmark negligence. Doctor performs surgery without any qualification or forgets instruments inside the body. Importance of the case. Landmark judgment on medical negligence. Balanced patient rights and doctor protection. Frequently cited in Consumer Protection Act cases. One-line exam answer. Jacob Matthew v. State of Punjab held that criminal liability of doctors arises only in cases of gross medical negligence and not for mere errors of judgment. Quick revision table. Aspect. Rule. Type of case medical negligence. Liability. Criminal only if gross negligence. Protection prior expert opinion needed. Court. Supreme Court. If you want. Comparison with Bolam test. Difference between civil and criminal medical negligence. Short notes plus case law chart. Just tell me. Malay Kumar Ganguly v. Sukumar Mukherjee. Sukumar Mukherjee. Malay Kumar Ganguly v. Sukumar Mukherjee. Malay Kumar Ganguly v. Sukumar Mukherjee. Air 2010 South Carolina 1162, Supreme Court of India Pushpin. Very simple case explanation, medical negligence, exam-oriented. Facts, what happened? The patient Anuradha Saha suffered from skin allergy, 10. She was treated by Dr. Sukumar Mukherjee and other doctors. Doctors gave high doses of steroids. The treatment was wrong and excessive. Her condition worsened, and she died. Her husband Dr. Malay Kumar Ganguly filed a case for medical negligence. Issue. Were the doctors negligent in giving wrong treatment and dosage? Judgment. Doctors were held guilty of medical negligence. The Supreme Court held, the treatment given was against accepted medical practice. Excessive steroids aggravated the disease. There was a clear breach of duty of care. Legal principles laid down. KCAP 1 Bolam test applied, with caution. Doctor must follow a practice accepted by responsible medical professionals. If treatment is clearly unreasonable, Bolam test will not protect the doctor. KCAP 2 Standard of care. Doctor must act with reasonable skill and care. Giving dangerous dosage without justification is negligence. KCAP 3 Informed consent. Patient must be informed about risks and treatment options. Simple examples, very easy, cross mark not negligence. Doctor chooses one accepted medicine among two alternatives. Checkmark negligence. Doctor gives very high dose medicine knowing it is dangerous. Importance of the case. Strengthened patient rights. Limited blind application of Bolam test. One of the highest compensation medical negligence cases in India. One-line exam answer. Malay Kumar Ganguly v. Sukumar Mukherjee held doctors liable for medical negligence where treatment given was against accepted medical practice and involved excessive dosage. Quick comparison, for recall. Case. Rule. Jacob Matthew. Criminal liability only for gross negligence. Malay Kumar Ganguly civil liability for wrong treatment. Bolam test. Accepted practice, but not blindly. If you want. Difference between Jacob Matthew and Malay Kumar Ganguly. Medical negligence short note with cases. The 2nd of May 10-mark answer format. Just tell me. Bolam test, medical negligence. Pushpin, what is the Bolam test? Very simple. The Bolam test says, a doctor is not negligent if he acts according to a practice accepted by a responsible body of medical professionals, even if some other doctors disagree. In short, if many competent doctors would do the same thing, it is not negligence. Book's origin of the Bolam test. Bolam v. Friern Hospital Management Committee 1957, 1 W. L. R. 582, UK. Brain. Simple explanation. Doctors may follow different methods of treatment. Law does not punish a doctor just because treatment failed, or another doctor would have chosen a different method. Checkmark when Bolam test protects a doctor. Doctor follows an accepted medical practice. Doctor has required skill and qualification. Treatment choice is reasonable. Example, 2 accepted treatments for a disease exist. Doctor chooses one right pointing arrow, patient dies right pointing arrow, not negligence. Cross mark when Bolam test does not protect a doctor. Treatment is clearly unsafe. Dosage is excessive or dangerous. Practice followed is illogical or outdated. Example, giving very high steroid dose against standard guidelines. India application in India checkmark Jacob Matthew v. State of Punjab, 2005. Bolam test approved. Criminal liability only for gross negligence checkmark Malay Kumar Ganguly v. Sukumar Mukherjee, 2010. Bolam test not absolute. Court can examine reasonableness of medical opinion memo. Very easy examples. Not negligence. Doctor chooses method A instead of method B, both accepted. Negligence. Doctor gives wrong blood group or wrong dosage. Pushpin one-line exam answer. The Bolam test states that a doctor is not negligent if he acts in accordance with a practice accepted as proper by a responsible body of medical professionals. Receipt quick revision table. Point. Explanation. Field medical negligence. Rule accepted medical practice. Origin Bolam case, 1957. Limit must be reasonable. If you want. Bolam vs Bolatho test. Flowchart for medical negligence. Case law based short note. Just tell me. Bolatho test, medical negligence. Pushpin, what is the Bolatho test? Very simple. The Bolatho test says, even if a doctor follows a practice supported by some medical experts, the court will still check whether that practice is logical, reasonable, and safe. In short, medical opinion must make sense to the court. Book's origin of the Bolatho test. Bolatho v. City and Hackney Health Authority 1997, 4 all 771 HL. Brain. Why Bolatho test was needed. Under the Bolam test, doctors were protected if any responsible body supported them. But sometimes, that medical opinion itself was unsafe or illogical. So Bolatho test added judicial control. Balance scale rule laid down. A doctor is not negligent only if 1. The medical opinion relied upon is responsible, reasonable, and logical too. It can withstand logical analysis by the court. If not right pointing arrow, doctor can be held negligent. Checkmark when Bolatho test protects a doctor. Medical practice is supported by experts. Reasoning is scientifically sound. Risks and benefits are properly weighed. Example, doctor chooses not to intubate because risk outweighed benefit, supported by logic. Cross mark when Bolatho test fails. Practice is outdated. Risk is ignored. No proper reasoning. Example, doctor does not give oxygen during breathing failure without any valid reason. India Indian position check mark Malay Kumar Ganguly v. Sukumar Mukherjee, 2010. Supreme Court applied Bolatho principles. Held that courts can reject illogical medical opinions. Magnifying glass. Bolam test vs Bolatho test, very easy. Bolam test. Bolatho test. Follows accepted practice. Practice must be logical. Doctor friendly. Patient. Doctor follows accepted practice. Bolatho test. Bolam test. Bolatho test. Follows accepted practice. Practice must be logical. Doctor friendly. Patient protective. Expert opinion sufficient. Court evaluates reasoning. Memo 1-line exam answer. The Bolitho test empowers courts to reject medical opinions that are illogical or unreasonable, even if supported by some medical professionals. Receipt simple memory trick. Bolam right pointing arrow accepted practice. Bolitho right pointing arrow logical practice. If you want, Bolam plus Bolitho combined note. Medical negligence flowchart. The 2nd of May 10 mark exam answers. K-Navy, New India Assurance Company. K-Navy, New India Assurance Company. K-Navy, New India Assurance Company, Limited. 2005-9-SC-C 273, Supreme Court of India Pushpin. Very simple case explanation, negligence, composite negligence. Facts, what happened? A road accident occurred involving two vehicles. The accident happened due to negligence of both drivers. A third person, innocent victim, suffered injury, death. The victim claimed compensation. Question arose about who should pay compensation and in what proportion. Issue. When an accident is caused by negligence of more than one person, how is compensation decided? Judgment. The Supreme Court explained the law of composite negligence. Legal principle laid down right finger composite negligence. When two or more persons are negligent, their negligence together causes damage to a third person. Rules. Victim can claim full compensation from any one of the negligent parties. Court need not apportion negligence for the victim. The paying party can later recover proportionate share from others. Important distinction. Composite negligence vs contributory negligence. Composite negligence, contributory negligence. Fault of two defendants, fault of plaintiff. Victim is in fault of composite negligence vs contributory negligence. Composite negligence, contributory negligence. Fault of two defendants, fault of plaintiff. Victim is innocent. Victim partly at fault. Full compensation allowed, compensation reduced. Simple examples, very easy. Composite negligence. A bus and truck collide due to rash driving by both. A pedestrian is injured, right pointing arrow pedestrian can sue either driver. Contributory negligence. Pedestrian crosses road carelessly and gets hit, right pointing arrow compensation reduced. Importance of the case. Clarified liability in motor accident claims. Protected rights of innocent victims. Frequently cited under Motor Vehicles Act. Exam answer. K-Navy. 1-line exam answer. K-Navy, New India Assurance Company, Limited held that in cases of composite negligence, the victim can recover full compensation from any one of the negligent parties. Quick revision points. Multiple wrongdoers. Single indivisible injury. Joint and several liability. Victim need not prove proportion. If you want, flowchart of composite negligence.